Welcome to YOGATX. My name is Savannah, yoga teacher, yoga therapist, overall curious mover, and big fan of the breath. Today I have for you a shorter movement session, still with some deep focus on the breath because that's just who I am. This can be great to be used in the morning or maybe during that afternoon slump that we all tend to get around 3 p.m. That being said, we're going to start standing today, so I will meet you at the top of your mat when you're ready. As you arrive to the top of your mat, go ahead and take a moment, a full moment to truly arrive here, whether that means closing the eyes today or keeping the eyes open and directing the gaze a few feet in front of you. Rest the arms down by your sides in a natural stance, first feeling the feet on the ground. Finding a sense of softness in the ankles, a sense of receptivity in the knees so that they could move and groove. With that sense of flexibility and movability with the ankles and the knees, you might find a little bit of ease in the lower back and the pelvis as well. We'll have the sense that our heels are digging into the earth and that the back of our skull is lengthening up towards the ceiling to give our spine a generous length from top to bottom. Let's start by bringing one hand towards the lower ribs and one hand towards the lower abdomen. Emptying all of the breath out here. Taking in intentionally slow breath in through the nose to fill up between the palms. Moving the breath out from the bottom of our torso up. Inhaling again through the nose, filling up low ribs to low abdomen. Exhaling low abdomen to low ribs. And we'll add in some arm movements, opening the eyes if they're not already. As you breathe into the lower 2/3 of the torso, let the arms float out to the sides, soft wrists, soft elbows. Exhale as if you were pushing the air back down with your hands. Breathing in, flip the palms up, lift the air up as you inhale. Exhale, turn the palms down, press the air down. Inhale, palms flip up, lift the air up as you inhale. Exhale, push the air down and out. Next breath in, reach the arms over the head, take your gaze up. Exhale to sit back into the hips, bring the palms together, touch the elbows towards the thighs or near the thighs. Inhale, pressing the floor away, straighten the legs, reach the arms over your head. Exhale, palms together, elbows towards the thighs as you bend the knees. Maybe they touch the knees. One more time, inhale, reach up, lengthen up, look up. Exhale, elbows towards the thighs and pause. Bring the palms of the hands together. Sit the hips deeply back behind the heels. And as you're ready, slide the hands down to the ground. Step the left foot back, lower the left knee down. Take a breath in to press through that right foot, reach the arms up. Grab opposite elbows or opposite wrists. Let the hips drift forward. Take 2 breaths in and 2 breaths out as if you could pull length side to side through the arms. And on your next breath out, wrap the hands around that right foot, framing it out. Step your right foot back. Seal your right heel down on the mat. Take a breath in to sweep the right arm up and over your head so that the arms are in a T. Exhale, plant the right hand down. Turn the right toes down, step the left foot back. Take a breath in. Exhale, bend the elbows, knees down, hips down, chest down. Untucking the toes as you breathe in, curl the elbows back, leaving some length in the lower back, focusing the arching in the upper spine, pulling the chin in. Exhale, tuck the toes, press yourself up from hands and knees, back to downward facing dog, lifting the knees off the mat, stretching the hips up and back to where the wall meets the ceiling behind you. Instead of sagging into the shoulder girdle today, we're going to pull the armpits away and lengthen through the upper spine and the neck. Take 2 breaths. Slightly lifting the heels as you inhale, lowering the heels a bit as you exhale. Staying buoyant both in our breath and our body. Walking our feet up towards the top of the mat. Bending the knees, breathe in, reach up, look up. Exhale, palms together, elbows to thighs or knees as you sit the hips back. Release the hands down. Stepping the right foot back, lower the right knee down. Breathe in, reach the arms up by the ears. As you exhale, opposite hands to opposite wrists or elbows, have the sense that you could widen the chest. Breathe in to lift up. Exhaling fully and completely, we'll take 1 more breath. Breathing out, hands wrap around the left foot, plant the hands, step the left foot towards the back of the mat. Untuck the right toes. Breathe in, reach the left arm up and over your head. Exhale, left hand goes back down to the mat. Turn all 10 toes down to the mat. Step the right foot back. Take a breath in. Exhale, knees down, hips, belly, chest down. Inhale to untuck the toes, curl the elbows back, nice and long neck and lower spine. Breathing out, tuck the toes, press yourself up and back, downward facing dog. And this time as you breathe in, bend the knees, crouch the hips back towards the heels. Exhale, lift the knees up and away, ground the heels down. Inhale, bend the knees, crouch down. Exhale, ground the heels down, lift the knees up and away. Step the right foot forward. Seal the back heel down. Take a big breath in, bringing left hand to left thigh, right arm up by the right ear as you straighten the right leg. Exhale, right hand to the spot right above the right knee. Lift the left arm up. Long, tall triangle pose. Pause for a full inhale and exhale. Breathing out, left hand to the mat. Turn the left toes down. Inhale, right arm reaches up. Exhale, right hand comes down. Step the right foot back. Lower the chest down. Lower the abdomen. Take a breath in. This time lift the tops of the feet. Stretch the hands back. Exhale, plant the hands, tuck the toes, downward facing dog. Inhale, steps the left foot forward. Exhale, seal the right heel down. Breathe in, cartwheel the arms back, right hand to right thigh, left arm up by the left ear, front leg is straight. Exhale, left hand right above the left knee. Breathe in, right arm reaches up. Stay tall and long in your triangle pose. Land here for a full inhale and exhale. And on your next breath out, right hand to the inside of the left foot, bend the left knee. Inhale, left arm reaches up. Exhale, hands down to the mat. Step the left foot back. Lower both knees down. Untuck the toes, find a child's pose. Soften the forehead down for 4 breaths. Find an active breath that's also conscious in its length, its depth. Breathing in to shift back forward. Exhale, tuck the toes, lift the hips up and back. And drop the heels towards the right, releasing towards the outer edge of the right foot and the inner edge of the left foot. Shift the shoulder, right shoulder over right wrist. Take a breath in, reach the left arm up. Exhale, left hand towards the mat. Turn the toes back down. Drop the heels over towards the left now. Keep the left shoulder over the left wrist. Reach up with the right arm. Breathe in, hips to the sky. Exhale, right hand comes down, toes turn down. Take a joyful, slow, patient walk back up towards the top of the mat. Let yourself hang out here in a ragdoll's pose. Opposite hands to opposite elbows, hugging the back of the thighs or just letting the arms hang. Slowly drop the weight of your hips back. Curl your spine back up, float the arms overhead. Take a breath in. Exhale, one hand onto your heart, one hand onto the abdomen. Closing the eyes, softening the knees. Finding the breath expanding between both hands. And arriving once again, just as you did in the beginning of practice. Moving forward from here into the rest of your day. Namaste.